Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. Today we have a thought-provoking topic for you. 3 key differences between religion and spirituality. Both of these concepts overlap, but there are some significant distinctions between them. Let's dive into it and shed some light on this intriguing topic. 1. Organization versus individuality. One of the first key differences between religion and spirituality lies in their structure. Religion is generally associated with established practices, organized institutions, and a community of believers. It often provides a structured set of guidelines and rules for followers. Spirituality, on the other hand, is more about personal experience and individual exploration. While spirituality can be a part of a religious practice, it doesn't have to be. Spirituality can be explored outside the framework of any organized religion. Number 2, belief versus experience. Secondly, let's talk about belief versus experience. Religion typically involves a belief in a higher power or powers, sacred texts, rituals, and doctrines. It's more about adhering to certain beliefs and following prescribed rituals. Spirituality, on the other hand, focuses more on personal experience. It's about seeking a deeper connection with the universe, finding inner peace, and developing a sense of purpose. Spirituality is more about the journey than the destination, and it allows for more flexibility and exploration in the terms of beliefs. Number 3, externality versus internality. Lastly, let's discuss externality versus internality. Religion often focuses on external practices, such as attending services, praying, or performing rituals, and adherence to certain rules. Spirituality, in contrast, emphasizes internal transformation and personal growth. It's about finding meaning and fulfillment from within, and it often involves introspection, meditation, and self-reflection. Spirituality encourages you to look inward and explore your own thoughts and feelings. To sum it up, while there is a lot of overlap between religion and spirituality, they are not synonymous. Religion is more organized, belief-based, and externally focused, while spirituality is more individual, experience-based, and internally focused. At the end of the day, both paths can offer valuable insight and enriching experiences. And it's essential to choose the one that resonates most with you. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming content. Until next time, take care and keep exploring your spiritual journey. Stay blessed.